Yo, what up, it's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and Dulcavu Smakfigi Dubai Nitsegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Njabula mfethu Njabula.
Okay, I'm here with Njabula first. So Njabula lokuthola uphenyane first. Oh, be safe.
Yeah, ngibe grand ngisagrand nje mfethu. Ungathuka amehla manje isidala.
Oh, much alright first. So tell me how many colors first are South African flag?
I was 6 first. 6.
Please name them.
Wow, black mfethu, yellow, white, red, blue, green.
Away. So tell me, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital city of Potchefstroom or what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I am not sure. I am.
You're not sure?
I
Okay, so tell me, conducting no apps.
Absa. Yeah. African Bank Service. Hey, Baba. Absa.
Okay. So tell me,